Welcome to the step-by-step guide to the Betterment mobile app. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the app to manage your investments and achieve your financial goals. First, download and install the Betterment mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Sign Up to create an account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Next, you will be asked to provide some financial information, including your income, expenses, and financial goals. This information will help the app to create a personalized investment plan for you. After providing the necessary information, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view your account balance, investment portfolio, and financial goals. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including your investment portfolio, financial goals, and account settings. To invest money, click on the deposit button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can fund your account via bank transfer or mobile payment. The app will automatically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. The app will provide you with a personalized plan to achieve your goals, including a recommended investment portfolio and savings schedule. In addition to investing and saving, the app also provides tax efficiency features, such as tax loss harvesting, to help minimize your tax liability. The app will automatically sell securities that have declined in value and use the losses to offset gains from other investments. To track your progress, the app provides a range of tools and features, including investment tracking, financial goal tracking, and account alerts. You can also access customer support via phone, email, or live chat. In conclusion, the Betterment mobile app is a powerful tool for managing your investments and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps, you can create an account, invest your money, set financial goals, and track your progress. Remember to always review and adjust your investment portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals.